Well, hello everyone. Nick McClure here, Century 21 Farm and Forest. I'm here at 49 Glen Anderson Loop in Craftsbury, Vermont. Craftsbury is in the Northeast Kingdom. It is home to the Craftsbury Outdoor Center, world-class Nordic skiing, great community, and I'm excited to show you this house. Obviously, we've got a little covered porch here on the front. This is Glen Anderson Route Loop, which is a gravel road, but you're just off from North Wolcott Road, which is a paved road. We do have a barn across the road, which we'll get to here shortly. A couple lilacs out front. Let's get you inside. This is a fun one to see. All right, so welcome inside. I just came in through this door, which goes out to one of those double barn doors, kind of a little mud room there, and then you come into this more refined mud room. Lots of space to hang coats and put gear. Really fun house here. So we've got this staircase, which you'll notice is actually on wheels, so that you can move that out of the way and climb this rock climbing wall, which is really sweet. And we've got the laundry, access to the back deck, a lovely 3/4 bath with a tile shower, nice tall ceilings. I'll take you out on the deck afterwards. I do want to show you this little loft space, which is just a cool little reading nook or napping space. Again, lots of cool details. And then we come into this really nice refined kitchen. Very bright. Nice new window looking out towards the backyard. Got an apron sink, propane range, microwave there that's built in, lots of cabinet space, a few extra cabinets here on the island. This is a tile floor. Got this massive 8-foot slider, which looks out on the covered porch. Of course, that's where the refrigerator would go. And then this is kind of a flex space, could be either a dining room or a sitting room, living room, shadow gap walls, vinyl replacement windows, lovely old wood floors, a little bit of storage here underneath the stairs. This would be the formal front entrance. And then we've got a little living room with a wood burning insert there in the fireplace. And continue this way, we have the primary bedroom, barn style doors to the closet, another barn style door heading into the primary bath, tile floor, built-in linen closet, radiant heat in these floors, the vanity with another apron sink, and rainfall head in the shower. I'm actually going to go back through this space to give you a little different vantage. Very cozy, very cute. And I'll pick up upstairs. So upstairs we have two sweet little bedrooms. These large dormers. Fun doors, access to the knee walls, central closet here at the top of the stairs, and second bedroom's very similar to the first. So before we go out onto the back deck, I did want to show you this large pantry off the kitchen. It's actually also the access to the basement, which is a dirt floor, has the furnace and hot water heater and pressure tank and so forth down there. Another view of the loft. And then we've got this really big pressure treated deck. Vinyl siding here on the outside, metal roof, very private deck, private backyard, little chicken coop, woodshed. Apple tree there. So So I will pick up and show you the barn on the other side of the road. All right, so here we are at the barn. Got the pigs and the piglets painted on the front. Barn could certainly use some paint. Roof probably could be painted, and the foundation has its cracks, but roof line still seems to be pretty straight. A little wetland area here between the road, the main road, and the buildings. Give you a shot back at the house and get you inside the barn. Here we are inside. Great storage. Potential for some animals here. It's a big building. And there is hay storage up above. We'll wrap things up here with the field near the barn. Nice little pasture area, great space for gardens. You can tell there was a garden here at one time. And some lovely yard space heading back to the house. So again, I'm Nick McClure. This is 49 Glen Anderson Loop in Craftsbury, Vermont. We are listed for $350,000 and this sits on 16 acres. If you have questions, please read the description. Click on the link to our website. You can check the status of the property and inquire to get more details. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.